So here in this problem, we're given the value of sine A, 3/5, and here A lies in the first quadrant. We need to find out the value of sine 2A, cosine 2A, and tangent of 2A, as well as sine 4A. Let us begin. So here we will start with our given value. We have sine of A equals to 3/5. Now let's try to find out the value of sine 2A. Now sine 2A is given by 2 times sine of angle A multiplied to cosine of angle A. So that means we have sine of A, that's 3/5. Now we need to find out the value of cosine of angle A. The cosine of angle A can be easily obtained from the value of sine A. All we have to do is rewrite cosine of A as square root of 1 minus sine squared A. So this is going to give us a value 4/5. So we have cosine of A 4/5. So that gives us, so we have 2 times 3, that's 6. 6 times 4, that's 24. We have 24/25. So this is going to be the value of sine 2A. Now let's try to find out the value of cosine 2A. Now we have sine 2A. So what we'll do, we'll try to write the formula of cosine 2A in terms of the sine function. So that will be 1 minus 2 times sine squared A, which will be equals to 1 minus 2 times, so replacing sine A with 3/5. So we have square it. We have 1 minus 2 times, so 3 squared, that's 9, 5 squared, that's 25. That will be equals to, so we have 25 minus 18/25. So that's going to give us 7/25. So that's the value of cosine of 2A. Now let's try to find out the value of tangent 2A. Now tangent 2A, it's a very simple, but if we want to use the formula, so tangent of 2A will be 2 times tangent of angle A divided by 1 minus tangent squared A. Now we'll have to find out the value of tangent A using sine A in cosine A. Using sine A divided by cosine A, that's the value of tangent of A. So we have 3/5 divided by 4/5 gives us a value 3/4. So we'll substitute these values where, so we have 2 times 3/4 divided by 1 minus 3/4 whole square, so that's 9/16. That's going to give us 3/2 divided by, so 16 minus 9, that's going to be 7/16, which is going to give us the value 3/24/7. So that's the value of tangent 2A. And finally, we will find out the value of sine of 4A. So here sine of 4A will become 2 times sine of angle 2A multiplied to cosine of angle 2A. So we have already found out the value of sine 2A and cosine 2A. So sine 2A, that's 24/25, and cosine 2A, that's 7/25. So this is going to give us a value equals to 336 divided by 625.